Afternoon, guys. We're back out, me and Ollie. We're going to go camping, aren't we, Ollie?
Yeah, and we're back locked in.
We're at Lockdown. Lockdown's got dark sky status, if you didn't know, because you don't get any light pollution and all that kind of thing. It was the very first place in Europe to get the dark sky status. And I also want to do a shout out for Mo and Jill Outdoors. Mo used to do a lot of videos and he stopped. I want to say thanks to Mo, he's my very first subscriber. So I just want to do him a shout out because he started doing videos again. I pleaded and pleaded for him to do more videos, so he started doing more. And I want to do a shout out for his mate Rory. So if you can check them out, guys, I'll put the links in the description box. So we better go. Ollie's in a hurry. You ready to go camping?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go.
Yeah.
So this is just the very start of lockdown when you come into it, but I love this part. It's all moorland and all that kind of thing. There's Ollie down there playing. But yeah, I've been told there's a lot of adders here, so I've actually camped here before. I've camped there. I don't know if this piece of land is owned by somebody. There's no fences, but there is like little walls or dikes, as you would call them. But awesome, I do love coming here. I was only just here the other day, but yeah, we've came back for a camp. So where we're heading is away over there, where the forest is. See, away over there. And we'll be camping in that forest somewhere. So I better run, guys, before he runs away. That's us, we're here, guys. This is where I'm going to camp. This is Loch Gura. The next loch is Loch Rika, and then you've got Loch Braden. There is also a loch up here. We are in the middle of nowhere, honestly. If you can hear like kind of noises, they're laying a new road. It's the forest road that we've came through. And they're laying the new road with big trucks and that kind of thing. But I've got a video of me camping here, maybe last year, over here, but since then I see more people have been camping and they've had like big massive fires, but it's just the way it goes in Scotland. So that's how close you can get with your car. And That's the forest road that we came down.
Yeah.
And I'm camping with Colin, so I'm guessing he'll put his hammock up down here somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to go and try and find some wood. But I want to show you this first, look. It's the Husqvarna I saw. I was in Asda and I seen it lying in the road. So I stopped my car. And I jumped out. It's now mine's. It looks pretty new too, so. And you can put it on your belt. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can find some wood in there. There is another lock through there somewhere. I've looked on Google Earth, but I think it's a few miles away. But yeah, I'm sure I'll find some dead wood in there that I can burn for tonight. So there we go, I found some wood. Somebody's been chopping this, but I'm going to finish it off. You can't hear, I'm going to chop it.
Top it. I should top it. I top it. And I cut the wood.
Yep, here. Here you go, got a shot.
Yeah.
Come over here. Yeah, you're going to help?
Yeah. When we hit it.
What's your face?
A big hit, boy. No, sad one. He said.
Let me do it myself.
so sad.
How we going, guys? I've got myself some wood. I've got myself some big logs.
And we dumped the bait.
The ones that I'd burnt, I found them down at Lockdown. Lockdown's that way, maybe 3-4 miles away. And I've processed myself some sticks down to go in the fire. My little twigs. And then it goes all the way down to smaller. So when I start the fire, I'm going to use fatwood for my dinner. And then we'll probably have some burgers. But are we going for a walk, Ollie? We're going to go down there and see what's inside that forest.
No.
The big scary forest.
I don't like this.
Ooh. You scared?
I'm not. I like it. I run by the bees. The bees tried at me and run in and go back.
So, that's where we're going to put the tent up, just there, guys. Going to put the tent right in there. Where Ollie is, that's where the tent's gone. That should be dry enough there, I think. It's not rained for the last couple of days, so the ground is still wet, but it's not like soaking wet. It's the normal wet in Scotland. It's just always wet. Doesn't matter where I take this boy, he always seems to find the pine cones. You love the pine cones, don't you, Ollie?
Yeah.
Are you on the pine cone hunt?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many do you reckon we'll find today?
2,500 more.
25 or 100. Wow. That's us, we're all set up, guys. Ollie's just chilling in the tent. I've got my Arctic sleeping bag for Ollie. I've got my Galloway. I've also got an old sleeping bag, an old fleece lined one that I've put on the floor, plus a reflective.
Yep, and this,
Thing. Plus one mats. So I'll give you a look at that, what we've got. So there's Ollie, he's got the Arctic sleeping bag. They're great, these sleeping bags. I only paid £30 for it.
And I got...
And look, I've got an old sheep's lined for the bottom, plus my reflective. See it? The reflective heat back. There's and there's Ollie's mat. So that's us for tonight, aren't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
We're going to have fun.
Yeah, and we are pretty good. Are we?
We're going to have fun.
And I'm pretty good.
Oh yeah, we're cooking food, yeah. This is a Scottish Wanderer, Ollie. That's all he does, is cook food. What are we going to have for dinner?
100 kilo beef.
We're going to have burgers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do that.
So yeah, I think we're just going to chill in the tent till Colin comes, and then we'll get the fire going.
No.
But yeah, we're just here to relax, aren't we? Aren't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
I'm only here one night, guys. I'm trying to get Ollie into camping more. The last time he came, he was crying for his mum, but my intention is to get him to camp more so I can go further away with Ollie.
This time I
That's
won't
my plan.
cry.
Maybe like Glencoe, a couple of nights.
This time I won't
I
cry.
like to go away for 2 nights, 3 at the most. That's kind of... Some people like a week.
Okay.
I like to go 2 nights. 3 days, 2 nights, and then you can do a little walk and all that kind of thing.
I won't cry anymore. I won't cry again.
You're not going to cry again?
Yeah.
Are we going to go to Glencoe?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we'll see what happens tonight, huh? Stay tuned, guys. I got myself a new light, guys. Look, it's one of these little... It's like a little bulb. How do you press it again, Ollie? Show us how you put it on. The little button. How cool is that? I got it from the range in Kilmarnock for £2.50. You can buy them from China, but when you buy stuff from China, it takes 6 weeks to come. So that's why I've never had one. But if anybody wants one, you get them in the range £2.50.
£4.50.
They're good. I'll test it tonight. I'll show you how good it is at night time.
And I
Ollie says he can't wait for tonight. He's that hungry, aren't you, Ollie?
Yeah, I am.
He's famished. So I've got the burgers on, guys. There's my view.
Oh, look.
So we're having burgers and we're having pepperami. Pepperami Tex-Mex one. Is that your one, Ollie?
Yes.
That was good of you. Just throw the packet back at me.
But I want it for dessert. No blue. No blue.
Yeah.
Yes, hit it. Hit it. Hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Really hungry?
Yeah.
Right, the burgers are ready, guys. There we've got burgers and
Bacon.
no bacon. Do you want some barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you open the roll?
I just want some.
Can you open the roll up? There we go. Barbecue sauce. You want another one?
Yeah.
Can you open it up for me? Thank you. There we go. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. And there's my burgers cooking, guys. In case you're wondering what the bag's all about, it's for my rubbish, so I can just put it in, and then I'll take all my rubbish home with me tomorrow. But yeah, you can't beat this, can you? Is this cool, Ollie?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we staying tonight?
No.
No? I think we are. We'll go home and see Mum tomorrow, won't we? Yeah. Living the dream, guys. Living the dream.
The film can.
Right, that's me. There's Colin turning up.
Right.
He's got his recon and he's been going on and on. He says he wants to do this spam dance.
So
This Scottish wanderer did.
I've seen the spam dance, so I just thought I'd give it a wee jig. It's not Ollie, but I just thought I'd give it a wee jig.
You're better than me. He's better than Ollie. Wait till I get this tripod down here.
It's
Right.
a lovely night.
Oh, wait there. Wait there.
We're here at Loch Gower.
I thought
As you can see,
we should probably do it with the little lock bit, right?
that's it.
And we'll do the spam dance again.
Beautiful view.
That
Ollie's in the tent, so me and Stuart are going to do the spam dance.
Can't beat it.
So you can't beat it. No, you can't. The great outdoors. Brilliant.
I don't know what time it is. It must be about 7 o'clock or something. But look, awesome spot this. That's Colin's tent. He's got the recon. It's the German camouflage. And that's how close you can get with your car, look. Colin's car, my car. There's my tent with Ollie in it.
Firewood set up for the night.
Oh yeah, I've already done that, yeah.
Thanks to Stuart. I get here a wee bit later, but Stuart's got it all set up, got the firewood cut.
So yeah, we'll be cooking with gas when we get that going. Right,
Superb.
there we go. I'm sorry, I forgot to let Ollie in. He just came out of the tent and gave me a kick in there. Because I didn't let him do the spam dance. I reckon he's the best at the spam
Oh
dance.
yeah, definitely. Star of the show.
Yep. There you go. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
You get a gold star for that one.
Yeah.
Are you the best?
Yeah.
Are you having fun, Ollie?
Yeah.
You standing back over there? Do you like camping?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else could you be doing? Sitting in the house playing your PlayStation?
Yeah.
But you're out here.
Yeah.
You like the great outdoors?
Are you going to be the new Ray Meals? Roll over Ray Meals. There's now Ollie Wanderer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like wonders.
Are you the Wanderer?
Yes.
They call
You
it
the
the
Ol-
Wanderer.
Yeah.
Are you the Ollie Wanderer?
Yes.
Yeah. There we go, guys. I'm starting the fire. I'm out in the Galloway forest. I'm out with Colin. He's on the Vino,
As you do it.
as you do when you're out in the wilderness.
You can't beat it.
Galloway.
Can I beat it? It's all mines. All mines.
It is.
Even though I don't drink, but here we go. Right. Can you go and sit in the tent, Ollie?
But you.
Right, so I'm using fatwood. For anybody that doesn't know what fatwood is, that's fatwood, right? I know people tell you that they find it themselves,
Don't wait.
right? But to be honest, I just bought that from Amazon. It was 4 in a pack for £2. You can go in the woods and find your own, but it takes that long. But what's the point? Just buy it, right? So what you do is you get your knife, the back of your knife, not that sharp, not that part, but the back, and scrape it. challenge. I want to see Colin doing that the next time. I want him to do a video of that.
Now I know.
You need to
It's quite easy, isn't it, Colin?
No problem at all. Firelighters will be a thing of the past.
Yeah, but yeah, I still carry my firelighters, to be honest, as well. I think everybody does, but that's just a way how to do it naturally. I do have like the Vaseline and all that stuff with me. But there we go, I'll get a picture of Colin with the fire. Right, there we go. Oh, there.
Right.
There we go. There's Colin.
First attempt.
First time trying. He's going to light a piece of cotton wool. Look at that, Biff. Easy
What do you
peasy.
think? Just like that. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
A little bit of Vaseline and that'll go up like napalm. And you'll have a little fire
Easy.
like that. Look at us, me and Colin and Ollie. We're living the dream.
Thumbs up, Ellie.
Living the dream, aren't we?
New dream. Look at where we are.
of the
Look at where we are. You can't beat it.
Need to get a bit of spam on the go here.
Tremendous.
But yeah, I'm going to go and cook. I'm having burgers. I'm just teasing, I'm not having spam. I like to annoy my haters, don't I? Feel that bit of dislike there. Oh, please don't dislike the video. Please don't. Ollie, where have you put Colin's gloves?
I don't know. Swing in the window.
Find them in the morning.
So this is the top.
Right, so that's us. We've got the little fire going. It's getting a little dark. I don't know, I reckon it must be about 8 o'clock. And we're going to have some Aberdeen Angus. I've got a video of a... Wait till you hear this one. I've got an actual video cooking Aberdeen Angus. It's got like... I think it's 18,000 views on it, so... I thought I would... people must like the Aberdeen Angus, don't they? So... I'm going to use my little tray thing, put it over the fire, and I'm going to cook some Aberdeen Angus burgers.
That's ideal, actually.
It's 2031. There is the moon.
You see the moon?
Yes. This is our planet.
Looks like a lump of cheese, doesn't it?
Our Earth goes down.
I'm using the USGI mess tin that I use every time. If you haven't seen that mess tin, then I'm sure you have. Do you reckon you're going to get one, Colin?
Aye, no, I must admit. See just the sheer size of it. Let's see, I've got two. I had that kind of frying pan thing. I just thought, what a fair meat can. I think we do it at Lidl's. £3. What's the fire? Oof.
What a happy.
I had that kind of cooking cat kind of different, but
Is yours aluminium? I said, I reckon aluminium will give you Alzheimer's. That's how I kind of went to stainless steel. I've already got Alzheimer's, so I don't want more of it, don't I? No?
Because I can even see kind of like the coating in this is kind of flaking off.
2043.
Yeah. Ollie. Right, so there's my Aberdeen Angus burgers. I don't know if you can see that in the video, can you? It's just from Asda. Thanks, Ollie. Asda.
Yeah.
Angus burgers.
I like them.
You like them? We've never had them before, Ollie.
Oh, yeah. I like
I just
them.
bought them so I could do a video, to be honest.
I did a video like, I like doing the Sam dance. I like doing the Bab dance. I like doing the Bab dance.
We've also got some nice pulled pork
The
out
moon.
at Aldi.
Yeah.
So we're going to stick that on as well.
This is the moon. The moon is our planet. I'll tell you what on them. Venus, Mars, the first star, and Venus, next to the rainbow. I'll tell you. Yeah. Now you know seven planets?
Quite handy as well, aren't they? The spray.
Do you know planets?
I do normally just bring a little
Do you know
bit
planets?
of oil. But I need a bit of hell first, I keep getting.
That's the one
Do
thing
you
I
know
forgot tonight, 'cause all I've got a wee thing of oil, but
Do you know planets?
I've got my oil as well, but you can use this. I just tipped all that oil out there too.
Do you know the planets?
what planets do you know?
There is Mercury, Venus,
Oh, well done.
there is seven.
Oh, he knows them all, don't you, Ollie?
Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter,
Oh, wow.
that's
That's amazing.
Uranus, Neptune, Uranus.
There's my burgers cooking, guys. You can't beat this, can you not? See if you've never done wild camping, honestly, you should come and try it.
There's seven.
Honestly, you'll never regret coming camping in the wilds.
You can't beat it.
You can't beat it. You can't beat it, a big stick.
I can.
I'll put subtitles for that, the people who don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, you can't beat it.
I can't beat it. I do it myself.
This beats playing your computer games and sitting in the house.
I can't do my life. It can't do very right. It can't make something really right. It can't make you right. It's right and it's round. Mine touch.
Are you having fun, Ollie?
Yeah.
Let me see you in the torch.
Yeah.
There he is. It's getting a little dark to do a video, guys. This camera's not the best at doing night videos. You probably can't even see, but it's better over here where the fire is. But I think all we'll be doing is we'll be dancing round the fire, doing a couple of spam dances, eating my food, living the dream, guys. Look.
Yeah, maybe the
I've got some pulled pork here, just to add to the nice Aberdeen Angus burgers.
That it needs horns.
But yeah, we're going to go and enjoy the burgers, guys.
Yeah.
And I'll probably catch you in the morning, unless I do more videos, but I can't see it because it's getting dark. And so, catch you in the morning, guys.
It's a cracking night.
There's the fire blaring away, guys. Look.
Can you beat it?
You can't beat that with a big stick, can you? We've eaten all the Aberdeen Angus burgers. We've done the dancing round the fire. Nothing left to do, really, is there? It's like the...
I'm on the last of the wood.
Wild camping TV.
What's that? Bushcraft TV.
Oh, that's some echo, that.
Yeah, it's actually that. Oh, so you would see, they sound like you're waiting for somebody else going.
We've been doing our calling in the night, but I think that's an owl. We thought it was somebody else shouting back, but here we go. We've got a galah. I can't even do a kookaburra. How does that go again?
A chicken butt.
Morning, Ollie.
The morning.
Morning.
The morning.
Morning.
The morning. Morning.
Morning, guys. There's Ollie. What to say morning? He's what to do his morning spam dance for you. But I said one spam dance a day is enough, but...
You always said. Let's get to it.
But then Ollie reminded me, it's a different day. This is the morning, so... I'm sure we're allowed to have another one, aren't we?
Yeah. It's your game.
Morning, guys. Here's my bacon cooking for Ollie. He's wanting bacon this morning. But yeah, you can't beat that sound, can you? Bacon cooking in the morning.
It's just fun. It's what we do.
Here's the bacon ready, guys. You want some barbecue sauce on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, do you want barbecue sauce, Ollie?
Yeah.
Got the HP barbecue sauce.
Yeah, I like that EP.
Oh, it tastes better with barbecue, doesn't it, Ollie?
Yeah, I don't like barbecue sauce.
You don't like it?
I don't like barbecue sauce.
Okay, right, here you go. Magic sauce then. What's your verdict? How do you rate that bacon roll?
It's good.
Does it taste better when it's cooked outdoors?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're very right.
Oh yeah.
Can't beat it, can you?
No.
Can't beat it with a big stick.
No.
Oh, yours, Ollie.
Yeah.
That's where I was camping, guys. That's me leaving. Great little loch, this. All of that was there when we came. Big fire pits and all that kind of thing, but not much we can do about that. But that's us. There's Colin.
Right, morning. Good to be calm.
You enjoy that, Colin?
Certainly did.
He's out every week. He's out more than me. It looks like I'm out all the time, but he's out more than me.
Every Friday, and more than that if I can get it.
Every Friday, and he's enjoying that view. Look.
Right.
I don't know if you can hear the beeping noise. What they're doing is they're laying a new road. See for here. But honestly, we're right in the middle of this forest, and there's nothing here, honestly. Because you can hear it when I've done the nothing but echoes. Oh, who was that? But yeah, that's us leaving, guys. I think Ollie's getting annoyed. I better go.